Today's video brings 5 profitable products to boost your sales. Car windshield snow cover is highly recommended. First, Google searches indicate that this product is trending in winter. Many TikTok videos about it have received many views due to its practicality, showing its greater sales potential. Crafted from durable and waterproof materials, it guarantees a much safer and more comfortable driving experience for car owners. The foldable design and multiple sizes make it suitable for most vehicles. The second item to be recommended is the low rolling chair. Due to its convenience, the video about this product on TikTok has attracted a lot of attention and likes. These buyers' 5-star reviews are the best advertisement for it. With its stylish design, smooth wheels and strong load-bearing capacity, it is suitable for various body types and multiple scene usage. Its solid structure and ergonomic design can perfectly meet the user's need for a low sitting posture. The next one is the revolving drain basket. Many videos on TikTok share this product to gain the attention of many viewers. This uprated product features a durable structure and an efficient rotating mechanism for quick draining and drying, perfectly meeting the diverse cook needs of customers. You can keep more profit with SourcinBox. We come to the fourth item, the meat tenderizer needle. Numerous videos of this product shared on TikTok have garnered many views. It is equipped with sharp needles that operate swiftly and effortlessly, fulfilling the demand for simplified cooking. Due to its small size, ease of cleaning, and versatility, this item is the ideal choice for home cooks and professional chefs. Stock up on this evergreen product to expand margins. Coming to the last product, it is the food seal clip. There are many topic videos about this item on TikTok. One video quickly reached 1 million views, and many viewers express a strong desire to buy. This uprated clip is easy to use and has a strong seal, which can keep food fresh for a long time and help reduce waste. Look no further to add this practical item to make more money.